Hi there, friends at home. In this video, I will be going over this date page with you. The first thing I do is always the same. I take out my pencil and I write down my name. As you know, in our Journeys workbooks today, boys and girls, we talked about properly writing the date. And that was not new to us. We practice the date every single day when we do our morning meeting. And we talk about the importance of writing the month with an uppercase letter, then the number for the date, which is whatever day in the month it is. So, for example, today it's the 25th day in March, so we put the 25. And then we always know that we put the comma before the year. That way it doesn't look like one mumble jumble giant number in our date. It helps when we're reading it to see, okay, this was the day of the month and this was the year. So it helps us understand. And it's important sometimes to put dates on things because sometimes we need to be able to look back and know how long ago something happened, or some things need to be done every so often, so we need to know each year what date to do it on. We celebrate our birth date every year because we're a year older. It's important to know how to read and write the date because if you're planning on going to an event, if you didn't know how to read and write the date and you had a vacation planned, and you didn't understand how to tell what the date was, would you show up on the right day? Maybe not. Okay, so on this page, it's going to be 3 quick dates, but what you will do, you'll start by cutting off the bottom of the page, so you just have this top part, and then you're going to go through, and it doesn't matter what order you do them in or what dates you have. You just have to remember, how do we write a date? What's the first thing we write down when we're writing the date? Johnny? Dominic? Yes, the month. Good job. So all of the first ones here should be a month. So you'll look on this page and you'll find all of the ones that have a month on them. I see January, February, and August. So you'll cut those out, January, February, and August, and they'll go on where the months go. What's the second part that we put in when we're writing the date? Emily? The day, the number for the day. So if it's the 1st, we put a 1. If it's the 15th, we put a 15. So whatever the number for the day is. So you'll look on here, I have a 9, a 15, and a 27th. You'll cut those out, and you can pick if you want it to be August 9th or August 27th. That doesn't matter to me as long as I see that you have the dates in the correct order. So we have month, then we have day. What comes next before the last part? Mateo? The comma. So you'll notice there are commas here for you to cut out. So you'll cut out your commas and glue them in place. So we have month, day, comma. And then what's the last thing that we put in when we're writing our dates, Beckett? What year it is, yeah. So then you can decide. There's 2005, 2012, and 2009. You can decide what year you want to go with what month, okay? So make sure when you're doing these that you use enough glue to let them stay stuck, but not so much glue that you have a big sloppy mess. And as long as you have month, day, comma, year, you will have your dates correct, okay? Have fun with this, boys and girls. See you later.